The Laverne cabinet will arrive in 3 boxes ready for assembly. Begin by opening each box to ensure all contents are present. You'll find the assembly manual and the hardware parts in box 1. Save some of the packaging as this will be helpful in a later step. To help make assembly easier, you can label each panel using a sticky note. Attach 6 T1 plate casters to panel G using S2 screws. Lock the casters and flip panel G over. Attach 15 C1 cam bolts to panel G. Insert 2 D1 dowel pins into the edge of panel 2. Attach 2 to panel G by inserting the cam bolts into the cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. The cams should be facing the inside of the unit. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel D. Insert 12 D1 dowels into the edges of panel D. Insert 4 D1 dowels into the edges of panel Z. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel Z. Attach the right lift rail to panel Z as shown using S1 screws. Insert 6 D1 dowels into the edges of panel Y2. Attach the left light rail to panel Y2 as shown using S1 screws. Insert 6 D1 dowels into the edges of panel X. Insert 2 D1 dowels into the edges of panel 1. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel X. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel 1. Attach panel X to panel D as shown, tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel Y2 to panel D as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel Z to panel D as shown, tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel 1 to panel X as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel G to panels 1, X, D, Y2 and Z as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Make sure the casters are locked and flip the cabinet onto its wheels.
Don't forget about how great ergonomics can enhance your sewing sessions. The Aero hydraulic sewing chair is the most comfortable chair, and it allows you to sew for hours without end. It's the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Watch this video to get more information. For information about installing your hydraulic lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below.
Attach the metal support bar to panel A1 as shown using S3 screws. Attach 11C1 cam bolts to panel A1. Carefully lower panel A1 onto panels 1, X, D, Y2 and Z as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach 2 H1 hinges to panel Y as shown using S2 screws. Attach 2 H1 hinges to panel Y1 as shown using S2 screws. Attach the T2 caster to panel Y1 using the bolt and nut. Tighten with enclosed wrench. Attach the T2 caster to panel Y using the bolt and nut. Tighten with enclosed wrench. Screw the alignment pins into the top edge of panels Y and Y1. Attach panel Y to panel D as shown using S2 screws. Tip: use some of the packaging to help stabilize the gate leg panels as you attach them to the back. Attach panel Y1 to panel D as shown using S2 screws. Attach 3 H2 hinges to panel A2 using S2 screws. Extend the gate leg panel Y and Y1. Balance panel A2 onto the gate legs and attach the H1 hinges to panel A1 using S2 screws. Assembly complete. Happy sewing!